coming to the end of Unit 1 for Edutin Academy's English course level B2. Now, you should be able to talk about your personality, about relevant past events in your life, your teenage years, and how these relevant experiences shape you in a bibliography format. To demonstrate your knowledge, you'll write a 3-4 paragraph autobiographical text using the vocabulary and grammar that we have covered in this unit, such as verb plus noun collocations, present perfect simple and continuous, passive voice, and phrasal verbs. Now I'm going to give you an example to guide you through the accomplishment of this first activity.
My Life as a Survivor by Yolanda Sayas. My early years. My name is Yolanda Sayas and I was born in a small town in Bolivar, Colombia. I am 76 years old, and I used to take part in big parties next to the river when I was a child. My mom owned a humber laundry business, where she ironed dancers' red skirts. As a child, I looked up to these dancers a lot. Dancers were known for having good taste and going around the world. So, in my teenage years, I was looking forward to grow and do the same. I ended up not doing that though. I got married at age 19, with who would be the love of my life and the father of my children, Raphael. My teenage years. We lived in a small house in the countryside, known for its light rain and strong coffee. Raphael and I had been living together with our children for about 3 years. When we had to move due to Colombia's armed conflict, we moved to a bigger city where we raised our children. I've never really regretted it, though I wish the process had been less dramatic for me and my children. Light rain and strong coffee became scarce, and we started to look for new ways to survive. My life was shaped by these events, and it made my family stronger. The city, however, is known for being merciless today. Nevertheless, better hospitals were built in the city as we adapted. Schools were improved. My family had a better chance at surviving in the city than it ever did in the countryside now. I didn't get to dance around the world, but I got to build a family I'm proud of. Now I'm a grandmother. I've been here in this city for a long time, and I'm looking forward to see what my grandchildren would do with these opportunities.
The activity have to include verb plus noun collocations.
Take part in. I was looking forward to grow. It's light rain and strong coffee. I'm looking forward to see.
Present perfect continuous.
I had been living together. I've never really regretted it. I've been here in this city.
Passive voice.
Dancers were known. My life was shaped by. Hospitals were built. Schools were improved.
And phrasal verbs.
Look up. And up.
Writing an autobiography is a very good exercise of introspection. So get into this activity now. Be careful with grammar and orthography. I wish you good luck. See you soon.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a edutin.com, donde encontrarás más de 6,000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.